Yep. This is a quick video to show you this cockatiel food. I know I made a video before about some cockatiel seed that had so many sunflower seeds. But this one is, I don't know. I like this better because it has more seeds and it does have a few sunflower seeds. This might be to the extreme of the seed area, but I like this better. This is more like it to me. So this is called Spectrum, and I can use it for my parakeet and cockatiel. They can both share this, but you can get the parakeets. And then this one is Millet Spray, and this one's by Country Blends. So anyways, I just wanted to show you that. It's much cheaper than the other parakeet seed that you see in the stores. And he doesn't even eat these little small things that he really needs to have. He doesn't eat that, so this is better for him. All right, guys, and it's only like $1. Let me see, how much was it? Hold on. Oh, this isn't even the receipt, but I think it's like $1 something for this. All right, guys, have a good day.